你闻看一下，妈呀，你烦他是吧？妈呀，烦什么意思？妈呀，妈呀，妈呀，你烦不理想是吧？你烦不理想，他来打搅你是吧？你又发出那种声音，对不对？你又发出那种声音是吧？你烦他是吧？你警告他是不是
And boy, let me tell you, she was the prettiest thing I'd ever seen in a pair of boots. She walked right up to me,